Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to use Moto AI Remember This. So to use Moto AI Remember This, you need to at first make sure that you've got Moto AI application set up with your account. Open Settings, here open Moto AI and tap Launch Gestures. Here tap either of these three and you need to set one of them to the Moto AI. I have double press on the power button, but I need to do this somehow quicker. Now we've got, as you can see, our Moto AI. I can enlarge. Okay, I cannot enlarge it. Okay, here. Okay, it's okay. So here, as you can see, to use it, you need to tap More Actions, and once you do this, you'll see. Remember this. Create a memory. Let me tap this, and now here I've got what would you like to remember. I've started saving up money for my new car. You know, it can be something more sophisticated. You know, you can create your own. Remember this. Save notes. Then you'll need to tap Save. Of course, you can remember this using a photo, or here we can tap this button over here to take a screenshot and then save. Now, where are these memories saved to? Open Moto AI application and tap these three lines in the top left corner. Now tap Memory and wait a moment. Here I've got 3 nodes. That's it. Goodbye.